This 2022 Coachmen Catalina 184BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 23 feet 1 inch in length and features LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, smoke detector, microwave, slide-out, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Catalina 184BH is 4,202 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.